Hello friends, I am Dr. Parag Telang, your favorite cosmetic plastic surgeon from Mumbai, and today I am just going to briefly explain to you what all things we do in a facial feminization. So when we talk of a facial feminization, let us start from the top to down. So point number one is to correct the brow boss. It's the brow which makes a lot of difference between the male and the female face. So we have to do a contouring of the forehead so that the brow bossing is corrected. Take care of the supraorbital rims so that the eyebrows also get lifted and the eyes get opened up. Point number two is then to deal with the nose shape. Sometimes the nose is broad, it has a hump, needs to be made more slimmer and delicate. The main important thing is point number three, which is mid-face rejuvenation. A lot of people don't address the mid-face when they do a facial feminization. Unless you add more volume and more projection to the mid-face, it doesn't make the face look more delicate. Point number four would be to get rid of fat in the cheeks, to slim the cheeks down by doing a buccal fat pad removal. Point number five would be then to work on the jawbone. The jawbone is squarish and it gives a heavy look to the face. It's important to contour the bone in the jaw and in the chin. That would be point number six. Unless you remove a lot of bone from the chin area and make it look pointed and more delicate, it doesn't add to the overall appeal of the face to make it more feminine. Because ultimately it depends on the kind of confidence you have. It doesn't matter the kind of features that are there, you can always with your confidence hide them. Consider Anne Hathaway. She has a large forehead and the hairline is quite back, but she carries it off beautifully. You take the example of Megan Fox. She has a beautiful chiseled nose. It really adds value to her face. You think of Angelina Jolie, who has very high cheekbones and she carries it off gracefully. Think of Jennifer Aniston, who has a squarish jaw, a heavy chin, looks good on her. It ultimately is the confidence that you have. If you don't have that confidence, you can always come to us. To get more videos from us, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our videos, and we'll surely keep posting more videos for fun. Take care.